Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a shadow Olaf painting. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are scissors, paintbrushes, paints, a canvas, and a piece of paper with a picture of Olaf on it. First, you're going to cut out the picture of Olaf. After you finish cutting out the picture of Olaf, what you're going to do is set him on your canvas and then take your paintbrush and dip it in paint. And what I did was the frozen colors purple and blue. And then you're going to hold it down and brush outward. And it's okay if you get it on the paper because we will not be needing it. I just went in a pattern going purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue all around. After you finish painting all around Olaf, what you're going to do is take off the cutout, which you will not be needing anymore, so you can just throw it away. And then you can keep it how it is, or what I wanted to do was continue painting outward from what I had and go all the way around the canvas, so then the only white part that would be showing is the body of Olaf. And there you go. That's all you have to do to make a super cute Olaf shadow painting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!